One of the most common issues we see after construction has nothing to do with faulty equipment, bad installs, or poor materials. It's actually way more basic than that. It's dust. Today I want to talk about two things that are especially sensitive to construction dust: mini split units and smoke detectors, and why ignoring this step at the end of a build can cause real problems. Drywall dust, sawdust, insulation particles, and even concrete dust. And that dust doesn't just disappear once the house looks finished. It settles inside equipment, inside sensors, and inside systems that are designed to move air. Mini splits are incredibly efficient systems for tiny houses, but they require proper airflow to work correctly. When that airflow is restricted, the system has to work harder. That can mean poor heating and cooling, strange air codes, or the unit shutting down entirely. A lot of homeowners assume the unit is defective when really it just needs to be cleaned after construction. This is one of a few tasks homeowners can actually do themselves: removing and cleaning the filter. Mini splits aren't the only thing affected by dust. Smoke detectors are even more sensitive. We've seen brand new homes where smoke detectors randomly go off, not because there's smoke, but because dust is sitting inside the sensor. The timing matters. Most of these issues show up right after construction, when the house is technically done, but the dust hasn't fully settled or been addressed. That's why end-of-build cleaning and basic system checks are so important. At the end of construction, we make sure systems are ready for use, but ongoing maintenance still matters. Whether you're building a tiny house, a cabin, or any new home, this is one of those details that saves you a lot of confusion later. If you've ever had a mini split stop working or a smoke detector acting up in a new build, dust is one of the first things worth checking. Want more builder tips like this? Leave us a comment on what topic you'd like us to cover.